In this guide, I'm going to show you how to master sprites really fast here in Fortnite. Intro. Now, first things first, what you're going to want to do is, of course, get whatever sprite it is that you're trying to master. It's going to be general for like pretty much every single sprite. This will work. But when you land in, what you need to do is just land on the left side of the map, just below Heatwave Harbor over here. You don't want to land directly in the POI. Instead, land right below it over in this area. And the reason for this is because this route overall has a huge number of chests, ammo boxes, fruit bowls, and other searchable, objects as well. Every single one of those is going to help level up your equipped sprite. So equip the sprite that you want to master as soon as the match starts, land here, and then absolutely collect everything along this route. Carry medkits because part of the route can take you into the storm, and grab mobility like rifts or sliders so you can move between loot areas faster. Now, eliminations will also give you sprite progress, so taking easy fights can speed the process up even more. However, if the sprite, or the fight, not the sprite, gets too risky, you're going to want to get out of there because obviously you can lose your sprite if you do die. Now, as long as you just keep following this route, and you could start all the way from the bottom and make your way up to the top, and then eventually you essentially will need to stop before you make it up to Sinister Strip and just go back down towards Sunken Shores and just stay along the edges because that is where all this stuff is going to be. Now, you can go into POIs and just search as many chests as possible as well. It's just not recommended because, of course, there is that chance that you do end up dying in that case. But once the sprite does reach level 5, successfully just extracted, so the master gets registered, and then repeat the same route with your next sprite. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.